You're welcome, guys, to my channel, Gumboy. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe and like this video. And today we're gonna talk about the issue of Pokemon Go. This game in some devices does not install. To download is a problem. To install is still a problem. So we're gonna show you the way you should fix this your Pokemon Go problem. So the first thing you need to do is to check your storage. Yes, you need to check your device storage. When the storage is full or is below 70%, Pokemon won't install. So the first thing you need to do is to fix this problem is to check your storage. You want to pay attention to your internal memory, as that is where apps downloaded from store are stored by default, unless your phone allows to change the default location. Now to free up some space, here what you need to do: go to File Manager, Internal Memory, check your memory. If it's below 70%, fine. If it's above 70%, you would have to delete or move things from that internal memory to your external SD card to free up some space. Number 2 is to uninstall some applications. It is proven that there may be some applications that are preventing this game from installing. So if you freed up your internal storage to 70% or below and still won't install, uninstall the app called Board Kings if you do have one. To uninstall Board Kings, go to Settings, Apps, select the particular app and uninstall. Number 3 way is to try downloading and installing with your mobile or Wi-Fi. This may sound somehow, but it works, guys. If you're using Wi-Fi to download this game and it fails, try switching over to mobile or internet or vice versa. This has proven to work on so many occasions. Number 4, the fourth thing you want to do is to uninstall and install a fresh one. So if you try the above 3 steps and you still can't download and install Pokemon Go, uninstall it and reinstall another fresh one, but preferably from another store. For users downloading through other download stores apart from Google Play Store, like the Glasses Store, perhaps other APK stores, try to download from Play Store and then install. Hopefully this will work. Some of these tips and tricks has proven to work. While wait on a new version of Pokemon Go to be released. You can also try to troubleshoot your device by installing another heavy app. Once it installs and everything works smoothly, you know that you have to wait for another version